What you're about to witness is not destruction. It's an astonishing act of rebirth. In every layer of rust, a story lies dormant, waiting for its secrets to be unveiled. But to reveal an object's true soul, it must first be stripped of the very years that have defined it. This is a journey of meticulous transformation. The handle is separated, a crucial step in this delicate operation. Corrosion is gently coaxed from the ancient metal, one layer at a time. The accumulated grime of ages begins to fall away. A special compound is prepared, a balm for the weathered surface. The process of polishing begins, revealing the first glimmers of a forgotten beauty. Each component receives the same devoted attention, a tribute to its original craftsmanship. What was once dull and decaying, now shines with renewed purpose. The handle, now restored, waits to be reunited with its blade. A careful reassembly marks the final stages of this resurrection. Now, attention turns to the blade itself, the heart of the sword. The final polish is a meditation, a dance between the craftsman and the steel. The blade, once lost to time, is now mirror to the present. The katana is whole again, its story reborn in breathtaking detail. Sometimes, inspiration comes from modern mastery. The goal: to imbue a new creation with the spirit of perfection. The tang is prepared, a hidden foundation for the strength that is to come. Every detail is considered, ensuring a seamless bond between steel and handle. Resin is painstakingly applied, filling the voids with enduring strength. A delicate process, demanding a steady hand and immense patience. Sparks fly as the blade is honed, each pass refining its future edge. Precision drilling prepares the way for the final assembly. The ultimate test of sharpness, a testament to the craftsman's skill. Another story begins, this time with objects of pure, rugged utility. Encased in rust, their original purpose is almost entirely forgotten. The artisan's work is to excavate, to find the form hidden beneath the decay. In these hands, even the most neglected items are treated with reverence. To fight against corrosion is relentless, a battle fought with tool and technique. Slowly, the stubborn rust begins to surrender, brushed away into history. The sheer volume of decay is a reminder of how quickly time can reclaim our world. This is the residue of years, the dust of a forgotten past. A more aggressive approach is needed, showering the workshop in a blaze of sparks. With the old surface gone, a new coat is applied, a protective shell against the future. Its identity restored, the object is ready to serve its purpose once more. This next artifact is not a tool of the workshop, but a treasure from the heart of a home. Its bent and broken frame tells a story of years of faithful service. A binding agent is applied, a crucial step in healing its wounds. Its core mechanism is seized, frozen by years of disuse. Unlocking the frozen parts requires a combination of force and finesse. Each individual piece is painstakingly polished, a meditation on form and function. Even the smallest components, the rivets, are given a new lease on life. The astonishing contrast between the before and after. Preparation for a new finish begins, masking off areas with surgical precision. A primer is applied, the foundation, for its final, vibrant color. The machine's housing, now bathed in a cheerful, nostalgic yellow. The components, once a pile of forgotten parts, are now ready for reassembly. The satisfying sound of a rivet being set, stitching the machine back together. The peening process ensures a bond that will last for generations to come. A final, formative strike, and the component is secure. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel Lost and Restored for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.